In this video I will discuss about how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days, my secret method. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my secret method for growing nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, this trick has completely changed the way I care for my nails. So, here's what you'll need: a nail file and a good cuticle oil or cream. First things first, let's get rid of any dead skin on the sides of your nails using a file. This will help your nails grow more quickly and evenly. Next, gently push your cuticles back using the file, which can also be done by dabbing some oil or cream on them. I recommend doing this every night before bed for 3 consecutive nights. Make sure to rub the oil into your cuticles as well so it can absorb into your nails and help them grow faster. I promise you, after just 3 days of this simple routine, you'll notice a significant difference in the length and health of your nails. So go ahead and give it a try. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this method, don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more awesome tips and tricks. See you next time.